to Sarah's Stampin' Retreat. Today we're going to be making 5 cards using the hand pen Memories and More cards and the coordinating card blank and envelopes. So I'll just show you these first. So you get 20 of these in a pack and they're really gorgeous spotty fronts, and then you get the stripy envelopes with the cute little floral patch on the back. So they're really nice and they're designed to be just the right size so that the bigger Memories and More cards fit on them, with a little border around the outside. Or then obviously you could have a big border and one of these. And then in the Memories and More pack you get some of these smaller cards. I'm not going to go through them all here. I've got another video where I have gone through them all, so I'll link that below in case you want to see exactly what you get. But there's a selection. So all those lovely florals that are from the hand pen suite. And then you get large cards. A lot of my large cards I've actually got with the cards I'm going to make today. So they're not here. So you get quite a few more than this. And then you also get 4 sticker sheets. I've only got one of them here. You can see they're nice. They're really like quality kind of cardstock-esque stickers. So the first card I'm going to make is going to be simple as simple can be, and I'm just showing one card. You can see this this card has this on the back, and actually that would make a really cute card as well. And this is the side I'm going to use, and I like to do this to show on a Memories and More cards video just how simple it is just to make a cute little card, because I mean you can literally just stick these on the front, and if you need a quick card, or for example you want to make a load up so that you've got cards to hand, or because you want to do a craft fair, then you can make such simple little cards with this. And then this is obviously a sticker, but I'm actually just going to put some dimensionals on the back of it just so that it stands up a little bit. And then I'm just going to add that on there. And then I've got a cute card in no time at all. So then this is also a great pack if you like colouring, because there's quite a lot of these cards that have just black and white, so you could obviously use it like that, but I'm going to colour them. So I've got my Stampin' blends here, so I'm just going to use my Highland Heather and then my Pale Papaya that goes with this, and my Pool Party that goes with the background. And I'm just going to use my Stampin' blends just to colour this. I might not even end up using the Highland Heather, I'll see how I go. And because of the nature of these drawings, they're like kind of hand pen drawings, they're not accurate drawings, so I'm not too worried about making my colouring particularly accurate either. I'm actually just going to go in a bit again with the darker one, just to add a bit more shading. So I'm actually just using these lines on the images themselves to, I'm popping the darker colour where those lines are, because to me that they indicate like shading lines. And then I'm just colouring over with the lighter colour. And I'm going to do the border as well. Yeah, so I think I'll leave it like that. I won't use the Highland Heather. And then I'm just going to fold my card blank in half, and then I'm going to use this one of the small cards like that. I'm going to use that one like that, and then I'm going to pop on this Celebrate Today somewhere as well. Be down there. So that we've got kind of a layered card. So I'm going to pop this up on some dimensionals. I'm going to take the Celebrate Today. I'm going to pop a dimensional under this end, because this bit's already sticky because it's one of the stickers. And then I can just add this onto my card. And I think I'm actually even going to just colour this little one in to match. And then I'm just going to put that there like that. It might just actually stick dimensional just under the back there, because quite a lot of it's hanging off over. So then that's a really cute little card. So then for my third card, I've actually already coloured this. So it's actually this card here, but I've coloured it. I didn't want you to have to watch me to colour loads of them, with the Misty Moonlight, Pool Party, Pale Papaya and Daffodil Delight Stampin' Blends. So the Stampin' Blends are the only thing really other than adhesives that I'm adding to these packs to make my cards. I just wanted to show you how beautiful the big ones look as well, coloured. So then obviously I've done the colouring beforehand, so the rest of putting this card together is pretty simple. Let's just glue that onto there. And then I think I want to layer the stickers on this one. So I think I want to use this Happy Birthday. I'll use that in this corner, so I want this to go underneath it. And then let's pop that on some dimensionals as well, because even though it's stickers, I just want it to pop up a little bit. And you've got this really cute card. So another thing that we can do with these Memories and More cards that I quite enjoy doing is just snipping them up. So I'm just going to cut out the floral element. And I'm just going to go in like this so that I'm not ruining the frame, because then I can use the frame for something else. And I'm just going to go around and snip out this floral bit. Now I'm just going to layer these up, so I'm going to glue this card onto here. And you get 2 of all of the Memories and More cards, so any elements that you wanted to do this kind of handmade decoupage with, you could do it with any of them. Then I'm going to pop some dimensionals on the back of this. Then I might do some more sentiment layering, I think. I'm going to use this one on the back and put this one on top. And let's pop that up on some dimensionals too. And that's that card completed. So for my final card, I've done some more colouring. So I've coloured in this one to create that. So I've used the Highland Heather and Pool Party colours. And I want to use this sentiment, but I don't want the whole card. So I'm just going to cut around it. Then I've just chopped a slice of this off as well. And I can just glue this onto my card front. So I'm just going to glue this strip on. And then I'm just going to stick some dimensionals behind that. And I'm just going to pop this up here, I think, as well. It's just one of our stickers. And I'm going to put this sticker on dimensionals on top of it. And that's my final card finished. Then that's all of today's cards. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, I'd appreciate you clicking like below, and you can also press subscribe if you'd like to see future videos. If you press the bell button and select all, then YouTube will also notify you when I've got a new video available. All of the products that we've used for today's video are listed in the description below, and there's also a host code there, so if you pop the host code into your basket before you check out, then I'll send you a free gift after the end of the month. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you again soon.